Hi guys, so there is an important news that RBI Grade B 2022 notification has been released in many of the national newspapers. So it might be like Monday blues for many, especially those people who were just thinking to take rest after SEBI phase 2 yesterday. I was expecting it to be released this week, but around Thursday or Friday, but bang on, it is right there in front of us on the Monday morning itself. If we see the details, RBI Grade B journal stream has total of 238 vacancies in front of you. You can see here, right? The online application will start from 28th March till 18th of April, right? And the phase 1 exam for journal stream, RBI Grade B journal stream would be on 28th May. And the phase 2 exam will be there on 25th June 2022. So one thing which is very clear is that normally RBI usually gives you around 7 weeks or 6 weeks normally before the exam, that is between notification and phase 1, but here they are giving you more than around 2 months. So it's like 9 weeks they are giving this year, lot of time. And between phase 1 and phase 2 also they used to give 3 weeks, but this time they are giving 4 weeks. So that's a huge time. I think 3 months from now you have for your phase 2 examination. That's a very good time. I think the candidates who are not fully prepared will definitely have a sigh of relief, because they eventually knew that notification is going to come, but here you are getting a lot of time between notification and your phase 1 and phase 2 examination. So that's a good thing. I think इस टाइम को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कीजिए, प्रिपेयर कीजिए अच्छे से. And since the notification is there in the newspaper, so there might be a question that when it will be available on the website. Normally it takes few days before it is available on the website, and once it is available on the website, you will have clarity on all other things, as in if the pattern is same, syllabus is same, age criteria, qualification criteria, whether there is any change or not, whether it remains the same or not. All this will be clear once this detailed notification comes on the website, which is usually right after some days when the notification is available in the newspaper. So let's wait for it. ठीक है, 28 मार्च तक तो आ ही जाएगी. Now, in case you need RBI Grade B complete information as per previous notification, right? As I told you, this year's notification, the detailed notification is still not out on the website. But if you want to see the details as per previous notification, like syllabus, eligibility, pattern, age criteria, education qualification criteria, all those details is available, right? On a page, like so we have created a page in which all the information, detailed information is available, but as per previous notification. So the link of that page is given in the description of this video. You can go to the description of this video, click on that link, and all the details as per previous notification would be available to you. And I repeat, this year's detailed notification is still to be out, so there might be some changes, there might not be any changes. We cannot say anything about that. बट फिर भी अगर आप क्यूरियस हैं कि प्रीवियस नोटिफिकेशन में क्या था और आप पहली बार दे रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा क्यूरियस होंगे, सो यू कैन go to that link which is given in the description of this video, right? So now some announcements, guys, some more announcements I want to make. First is that we will be coming up with 3-month study plan very shortly. It would be very detailed, very comprehensive, a proper hand holding would be there. ठीक है, तो आप इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं अगर आप सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. We will be almost executing the same 3-month study plan through live practice sessions in our course. हमारे पेड कोर्सेज में जो एनरोल्ड हैं उनको हम डेली लाइव प्रैक्टिस सेशंस के थ्रू उस 3-month स्टडी प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट करने में हेल्प करेंगे, सो दैट दे गेट कॉन्फिडेंस बाय कंप्लीटिंग देयर डेली टारगेट्स, by asking their queries on daily basis, by getting help from the mentors on daily basis. And for YouTube also, we will be coming up with sessions, right? So before phase 1, especially for quant, reasoning, English and current affairs, that is very very important. तो पहला टारगेट तो हमें फेज 1 ही क्लियर करना है, बट साइमल्टेनियसली थोड़ा बहुत हमें फेज 2 के लिए एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज इट माइट बिकम रियली डिफिकल्ट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एंड कवर फेज 2 इन दोज 30 days between phase 1 and phase 2. So इसके बारे में डिटेल में बात करेंगे. अभी I think it's too early to talk about this. ठीक है guys, so thanks for now. I hope this information is useful, and gear up for your exam. It's right time to pull up your socks and be ready, rather be super ready for your exam. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.